Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to know if a message was read on Facebook Messenger. Facebook Messenger is a great way to stay connected with friends and family, but sometimes you may want to know if your message has been read. Whether it's to confirm if someone received an important message, or to know if a friend is ignoring you, checking if a message has been read on Messenger is a simple process. To get started, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Tap on Home to see your recent conversations. Next, select the conversation that you want to check. Look for your friend's picture in the message window. If you see a small picture of your friend, it means that they have read the message. However, if you don't see a small picture of your friend, it means that they haven't read the message yet. Any messages following the one with the picture have not yet been read. It's important to note that a small blue check mark instead of the small picture indicates that the message was successfully sent, but not necessarily viewed. So, don't assume that your friend has read the message just because the check mark is there. If you want to know if a message has been read in a group chat, it's the same process. Look for the small picture of each person in the message window. If you see everyone's picture, it means that they have all read the message. Checking if a message has been read on Facebook Messenger is a great way to know if your message has been seen and acknowledged. It's also a good way to avoid misunderstandings and miscommunications. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks for your favorite apps and devices. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.